Hello everyone and welcome back to our health talk with doctors from Prana Homeopathy Yoga Center Pune. We have with us again today Dr. Sonali Bhosle. Dr. Sonali Bhosle is a well-known academician as well as clinician, has been practicing homeopathy for more than 20 years in Pune now. She practices, her specialty is spine, bone and joint care at Prana. And today we are going to discuss with her the most commonest problem all of us face today, which is back pain. At any age today, each and every person complains of back pain at some or the other point in time. So Dr. Sonali, what are the causes of back pain?
See, the first cause I will say unexposure to sun. Nowadays, see, the people, we are going to office at around 7 o'clock to reach and start the work at 9. Due to this lockdown, we are not even stepping that much also outside. So there is no exposure to sun as such, the morning sun for years together.
True.
Which is causing early demineralization. We are not giving its nutrients in the form of natural sunlight, and secondly the diet which we take. We are absolutely not aware what all we are putting inside our system. So these are the major causes for demineralization or bone health which is not optimum at all.
But why has it become so common in all age groups?
Yeah, that's what. See, all age group, because the children also. You see how many, even I have my child, she is in now 8th standard. I have to really force her to go on the playground. It's very convenient to have virtual playground for them. So not only the seniors, but even starting from the children, they are not exposed to sun, they are not exposed to activities, multiple physical activities.
True.
You know, we say we don't have time for exercise. If we don't have time for exercise, how do we work and how do we plan our career, or how do we plan ourselves to play a long series? So it's very important: exercise, diet, exposure to natural resources. So these are absolutely lacking. It is not less, it is absolutely lacking, and that's why almost all the age group is having this complaining of some kind of pain in the back or in the joints or in the bones, and especially back, because most of the muscles are attached there. Our back is all, so many muscles have their attachment there, and it is carrying maximum of the load of our bodies. So back pain becomes more common.
Okay, and there are quite a few people, who either have been exercising, or after they start their back pain, they start exercising at some point in time. So in spite of this, they continue to have back pain. What is your take on this?
Yeah, see, with people who are very regular at exercise, generally if we see percentage wise, they are at a healthier, they are on the healthier scale. But I find in them, there are certain areas in the bones which are taking more weight, or certain exercises which they are taking, they are doing it so regularly. Particular group of muscles are very much well exercised, and particular muscles are not exercised. So this undoing of what we are doing, for example, in one pose of asana, if there is a pose where the back is arched, then the next pose has to be where there is a relaxation. It has to be right and left side. It has to be convexity if there is in the pose, then the other pose have concavity. So once this is achieved, then these people who are exercising will not have so much of soreness or so much of single muscle spasm. Generally they come up with. It will go away.
So along with exercise and yoga and all other things, we spoke about exposure to sun, a good activity, especially in sunlight, outdoor activity.
Yes.
So how does, in addition to this, how does homeopathy help?
Yes, see, homeopathy, when we give homeopathic medicine, it acts as a trigger for natural healing mechanism within ourselves. So this is done by studying the whole pattern of that person, where that person is facing stress. Is it performance oriented? Is it what is in the person's life which is challenging him or her? And when we study that at psychological level, what is the bodily symptoms they are having, where is the exact location. This is studied very minutely in homeopathy, and we give a remedy from some plant source, mineral source, which help to strengthen that weakness within them, and they perform at the optimum level of their own potential. So this is what is the advantage of choosing homeopathy as a modality for treatment.
Okay. And will you advise certain asanas for people with, having back pain?
Yeah, I generally advise, rather I did my 2 research projects, I am telling this again, with homeopathy and yogasan, how they can be very useful. So I tell people with backache especially to go for Bhujangasan. Bhujangasan is very good, where you, like a bhujanga, like a serpent, you have to put the hands beside your chest and gradually take the spine upwards. So this stretch, it is given from the last vertebra, tailbone till the neck, and in the final pose you have to look to the ceiling. So what all is possible? If you are too much in pain, you should not directly go to the final pose, but gradually you can go. So there is Bhujangasan, there is an asana where you have to just bend and take the support of a window or something, and you can put your spine horizontally, perpendicular to the floor. You are standing like this without bending the knees, just take your spine forward and rest your hands on the window. If it is possible for the patient or for the person, then you should hold your toes with your hands. So this asan, you know, children were punished actually, you know, nowadays even that is not that is not done. So these childhood punishments are quite important for as a back exercise. So one is Bhujangasan, one is bending down. So this relieves the whole stress in the lower extremity and the back.
Yeah. So, Dr. Sonali, homeopathy also believes in a beautiful mind-body connect. So, what would you say about, are there any emotions also attached? Do they play a role in case of back pain?
Yeah, it's a very good question, and I will like to speak a lot on it. So, the emotion are definitely play a big role in everybody's life. It is, nobody can say I am stress free. We all generate, because stress is a thing which is generated within, and it can be for small things as well. I mean, when I ask patients about challenges faced in life, they say I don't have any challenge, life is going on very smoothly, but I am very, very particular about my work, I want to finish in time, I want to reach in time. Even this, that is how we create our own stress, and with the stress the muscles go into spasm. Our posture changes from ease to disease, and that is what is studied in homeopathy. So patients with backache, when I study their mechanism of dealing their life, then I understand what is stressful to them, how are they generating that, and I heal that through the medicine, and they experience a better level of living life actually. Yeah.
And can you enumerate one such case where, you know, you have treated back pain effectively with homeopathy?
Yeah, I have a good number of cases, and I feel my patients are my best teachers. Because you know, when I will give you an example of a lady who had tremendous pains while turning the sides. She used to say, I can work throughout the day, but in the night when I am turning sides, it is excruciating pain, and that's why her sleep was disturbed. And when I asked about the sleep symptoms, what is the posture in the sleep, again how they sleep, this posture is also taken in homeopathy. So she said कि she has to always, she prefers to sleep on left side, because on right side she gets palpitation. On right side if she sleeps, she has got certain very unusual sensations she used to experience. And the moment she used to be on left side, which was very comfortable for her. So when I understood this phenomena, logically it should not happen. No, why this is it? Is it due to some kind of pathology that she is preferring, or is it that this posture is the most beneficial for her? So I understood through her dreams, and through when I took the case at a deeper level, at a subconscious level, I understood her desire to be with the mother always, and it was when I understood that she was separated from the mother too early, and that's why to be in the womb and to take that support was the whole case. And the remedy was given, understanding that she developed independence in her life, and then she was able to sleep in a much better way. And her posture improved, and so her back pain improved.
So thank you, Dr. Sonali, for sharing such a wonderful case with us. I mean, it definitely has many more aspects than just focusing on that pathology of backache. And I think that is the beauty of homeopathy. Thank you so much for being here with us, and we look forward to again seeing you with many more such memorable discussions, especially pertaining to your health. All our numbers are displayed here. Dr. Sonali is available for consultation at Prana Homeopathy Yoga Center, Pune, and look forward to see you again. Thank you.
Thank you.